Hi everybody, this is Owen from Owen Travels and let's fly Bangkok Airways from Chiang Mai to Bangkok. Right now it's August 31 of 2019 and I'm flying Bangkok Airways from Chiang Mai to Bangkok on their Airbus A320. My flight leaves 6:55 in the morning and I'm quite early as it's only around 4 o'clock here in Chiang Mai and the counter is still closed that time. Anyway, let's enjoy the boutique lounge since Bangkok Airways offers complimentary access for all their passengers to their lounges. Hi guys, so I'm already inside the Bangkok Airways boutique lounge. So Bangkok Airways is actually offering free access to their lounges for all passengers. I'll fly back to Bangkok. Supposedly I'll be flying to back to Bangkok on Monday, but I had an emergency that I need to go back to Manila as soon as possible. So today, once I arrived in Bangkok at around 8:30 in the morning, I need to catch a flight to Philippine Airline back to Manila on board Philippine Airlines. So I'm gonna be making two separate travel vlog. I'm supposed to fly Emirates and Asiana Airlines, but I need to postpone that as I really had an emergency. I need to go back as soon as possible to Manila. So anyway, let's enjoy the lounge first. Morning. It was such a great day to start when you were greeted by the cabin crew with a warm smile as they seemed to be energetic that morning. Our aircraft today is an Airbus A320 with registration HSPPJ. This aircraft has a total of all 162 economy class seats, so there's no business class seat on this aircraft. Legroom is generous with a 31 inches of pitch and 19.8 inches of width. Here's what's on the seat pocket. There is a safety information card, in-flight magazine, as well as an in-flight shopping catalog. Bangkok Airways primarily offers domestic flights in Thailand and some international destinations such as India, China, Vietnam, Malaysia, Singapore, and also Myanmar. They also offer codeshare partners from other airlines to widen their networks.
ครับ Ladies and gentlemen, in order to avoid interference with the aircraft communication systems, all mobile phones and electronic devices must be turned off. It is appropriate for your attention. สวัสดีครับนักผู้โดยสารในนามของสายการบิน Bangkok Airways Asia Boutique Airline และสายการบินร่วมกัปตันวิทันยูหัวหน้าพนักงานต้อนรับราชัน and our code share partners Captain Vitan Yu, Flight Purser Rachan and cabin crew would like to welcome premium members, flight bonus members and all passengers on board flight PG222 bound for Suvarnabhumi Airport. Flight time will be 1 hour. We hope you'll enjoy on-flight service. Thank you. Ladies and gentlemen, for your safety, please keep your seatbelt fastened at all times for protection against unexpected turbulence. A complimentary copies of our Thai magazine and in-flight variety magazine are in the seat pocket in front of you. We are pleased to introduce our in-flight shopping, brand merchandising products and souvenirs from Thailand. If you would like to purchase any items, you can contact our cabin crew after meal and drink service. Your in-flight meal will be served shortly. If any passengers are allergic to a particular food or have not received a meal after our service, please inform our cabin crew.
One thing I like about Bangkok Airways is that they offer complimentary snacks on their flight, even though this is just a 1-hour domestic flight. Today, they provided us a cold tuna sandwich. It was very tasty. It was really well presented. I think I had the best sandwich eaten 30,000 feet from above. The meal also includes a complimentary bottled water. Also, they provided us fruit juices, coffee, as well as tea. The cabin crew are very visible all throughout the flight. I admire the efficiency of the cabin service because it's only a 1-hour flight and they did their best to make sure all passengers are served well. For 1,700 Thailand baht, one-way ticket, it was such a great bargain and I made the right choice flying Bangkok Airways.
Gentlemen, please remain seated and securely fasten your seatbelt in preparation for landing. Please keep your carry-on.
As we are fast approaching Bangkok Suvarnabhumi Airport, let me conclude this trip report with my personal point of view. The flight itself is very cheap, considering the services I got from Bangkok Airways. I also want to commend that Bangkok Airways offers complimentary access to their boutique lounge. It's the best way to relax, unwind, and freshen up before flying. The flight is on time and the cabin service is excellent. I can truly say that the cabin crew on this flight loves their job. I'm also impressed with the meal service and preparation. Although this is just a 1-hour flight, you rarely get free meals on short flights. Overall, I can say that Bangkok Airways remains competitive on this route from Chiang Mai to Bangkok. I will definitely consider flying them again. Also, you can earn miles on Bangkok Airways frequent flyer programs or with their airline partners frequent flyer programs.
านผู้โดยสารครับเราได้นำท่านมาถึงท่าอากาศยานสุวรรณภูมิเรียบร้อยแล้วเวลาในขณะนี้คือ 7:50 นาทีครับขอความกรุณานั่งประจำที่จนกว่าเครื่องจะจอดสนิทและสัญญาณเนื่องจากจะมีการเปลี่ยนเครื่องในสถานีนี้ครับท่านผู้โดยสารที่ผ่านพิธีการศุลกากรและตรวจคนเข้าเมืองแล้วจากเชียงใหม่พร้อมทั้งติดสติ๊กเกอร์ CIQ ของเราและหวังเป็นอย่างยิ่งว่าจะได้ต้อนรับท่านอีกในโอกาสต่อไปสวัสดีครับ Ladies and gentlemen, we have now landed at Suvarnabhumi Airport. The local time is now 10 minutes to 8 a.m. Please remain seated until the aircraft has come to a complete stop and the seatbelt signs have been turned on to protect yourself and other passengers from possible injury. You can now turn on your mobile phones and electronic. Captain Vithan Yu and his crew would like to thank you for flying with us and we look forward to seeing you again soon. Have a pleasant stay and goodbye.
Now back in Bangkok Suvarnabhumi Airport, and I have about 5 hours to wait for my flight to Manila on Philippine Airlines. It was such an uneventful flight, and I definitely recommend you trying Bangkok Airways whenever you are in Thailand. Anyway, thank you so much for joining me on this trip. Please support my channel by subscribing and clicking the notification bell icon so you'll get updated on my next videos. Have a safe travel everybody and enjoy the holidays. ขอบคุณมากมีหวานกี่ดีครับ